Good afternoon, 8th grade technology students. Just wanted to give you a brief little update and reminder about your Khan Academy dashboard and how you access active assignments, which are going to be things that were assigned that day or are due that day, or things that have a future due date, and then also how to get to any past assignments or things that have already been past due. Now, at this point, there aren't any late grades. I've really tried to keep the grade book empty at this point and make it a little bit easier for you to go back and to get the work done. But at this point, we're going to have to start to move things a little bit forward, give credit for assignments that are done, and provide zeros for any assignments that haven't been completed. We'll start to complete that process this weekend. So when you log in to your Google account, unless you have multiple courses that you are assigned to, you are just going to be launched to your assignments page. So the things right now that are due for me as a student in my student account, these are the things that are due currently. And when I click on this past tab, I'm going to see here that there are past assignments. And what you're going to have down here at the bottom is you may have multiple pages of assignments. So it's not necessarily just what you see, but it's going to be things that there may be multiple pages to navigate. So, something that looks like this. I know that we have had some students that have started a video that have went through this, but it hasn't given them credit. And what I'm seeing right now is when I go to start this video, if by some chance it does this, and again, this is kind of a Khan Academy glitch. You'll see when I started this assignment, it automatically jumped me to the 21-second mark. And so the way this works is for every second of video that you have watched, it gives you these energy points. And it knows that you have to watch all 3 minutes worth of video to get all of the points in the end. So if you're finding that you are watching this and it's jumping you ahead, you may have to come back to the beginning and start it over to make sure that you are starting at the 0 point versus accidentally getting jumped ahead to, let's say, 10 seconds, 15, 20 seconds, or so on. Then you can click on that next assignment, and it should mark this off as completed. If I start this right here, and I try to jump ahead, you are going to see that it's not going to give you enough points. So you see right here that when I go back in to start this, it starts me at the last spot that I had stopped it watching. You'll want to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to end. So just for this weekend, make sure that you take some time, go into your dashboard, take a look at the active assignments. Obviously today is a Friday, nothing has been assigned today, so you shouldn't have any active assignments, but you'll take a look at your past assignments, go back in, go to as many pages as you need to see if there is anything that is left over. So what I'm going to start to do is the assignments that were assigned a couple of weeks ago, I'm going to start to get those into the grade book, so that way you start to get credit for the work that was done, and you'll have zeros for the things that have not been done. What we're going to do is have an equal amount of points for every activity and video that has been done inside of what has been assigned for the day. So just wanted to give you a little update as far as the dashboard, making sure that you're taking a look at those past assignments, going next as far as you need to see that you have completed everything. If you have a video that you have watched and it doesn't give you credit for it, I'm guessing that you're going to have to watch that video over. And again, what happens is, if it doesn't start right at the 0 mark, you're going to have to rewind it back to the beginning and watch it from the beginning to the end, and then you should be all set. Reach out with any questions. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend, and we will see you in the next video.